For the last 3 days, have you been standing in the cold, completely surrounded by strangers? Are you thinking about all that turkey and stuffing that you've missed, while at the same time pondering if all of these bruises, now completely covering your body, will be gone before your holiday parties? Was a Nintendo Switch OLED really worth participating in a knife fight and being arrested? If you said yes, well then you're an American, so happy Black Friday to you. G here from OG Creations. It's that time of year. Purchasing gifts for others when you really want to be buying all the shit for yourself. So what better way to start the shopping season than with a video tutorial of my Unwrap Me Brief, now available on my Etsy store. For those doorbuster survivors, think nosebleed red. For everyone else, I start with a cheery, holiday red pair of 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex briefs. Using the Geode technique, I twist rubber bands and random patterns all over the fabric. I apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and let that process anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes. The color will fade away just like your memories will, of your sister-in-law screaming that the lack of Avatar Lego sets is somehow Nancy Pelosi's fault. I then soak the briefs in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution for 10 to 15 minutes, and then place directly into cold water for 2 to 4 hours. Then they're soaked in soda ash for 20 to 25 minutes, and then they dry on my dyeing racks for 12 to 24 hours. I literally drench each brief in Dharma Trading Company's dark green liquid dye before bagging them up and setting them aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmish space, somewhere between 65 to 70 degrees. I rinse them thoroughly in cold water, and then run them through the laundry using a cold water cycle, followed directly by a hot water cycle. I then dry them completely. Now that's a lovely package. Unwrap yourself and release that festive cheer all around you. Just don't turn on a blacklight when your family's around. I hope you enjoy your holidays with all of your friends and your loved ones. Go out, make memories, and make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.